Welcome to Thingvellir National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This stunning landscape is more than just a beautiful destination. It's a place, rich with history, culture, and natural wonder. Thingvellir National Park is a key stop on Iceland's famous goldencircle route, which also includes the Geysir geothermal area and Gullfoss waterfall. Located just 40 kilometers, or about a 45-minute drive from Reykjavik, it's an easy and rewarding day trip for visitors exploring Iceland's natural wonders. Thingvellir sits on the boundary between the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates, making it a geological wonder. The dramatic cliffs and rift valleys you see were formed by the slow drifting apart of these plates, offering a unique glimpse into the forces shaping our planet. For the best experience, consider visiting Thingvellir early in the morning or late in the evening to avoid the crowds. The soft light at sunrise or sunset really highlights the park's natural beauty. Thingvellir National Park was used as a filming location for Game of Thrones, specifically for scenes featuring the Bloody Gate in Season 4. This includes the moments when Littlefinger and Sansa approach the gate in Episode 5, and when the Hound and Arya arrive in Episode 8. Whether you're here for its historical significance or breathtaking views, Thingvellir National Park stands as a true testament to the heart and spirit of Iceland. Thingvellir holds a special place in Iceland's history. In the year 930 AD, it became the birthplace of the world's oldest parliament, the Alþingi. For centuries, Icelanders gathered here to make laws, settle disputes, and shape the future of the nation. Some might say the goldencircle is overrated due to its popularity, but I believe it's a must-see, especially if you're visiting Iceland for the first time. Thingvellir National Park, along with the other iconic stops like Geysir and Gullfoss, offers an incredible introduction to Iceland's natural beauty and history. Despite the crowds, it's definitely worth experiencing firsthand. Did you know Thingvellir is one of the only places in the world where you can snorkel or dive between two tectonic plates? The crystal-clear waters of Silfra Fissure offer an unforgettable experience, with visibility reaching over 100 meters. As you explore Thingvellir, Keep an eye out for the local wildlife. You might spot Arctic foxes, Icelandic horses, and a variety of bird species, especially near the lake. The park's unique ecosystem is just as fascinating as its history. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Voyage Vibes 360 for more amazing travel adventures.